Welcome back, esteemed students of astrology, to the Lilly Lectures. I am your guide, William Lilly, and today we are continuing our journey through the 12 houses with the 5th house through to the 7th house. Let us begin. The 5th house is associated with matters relating to children, ambassadors, the condition of a pregnant woman, banquets, alehouses, taverns, plays, messengers, or agents for the Republic. It also provides insight into the father's wealth, the ammunition of a besieged town, the gender of a child to be born, and the health of the son or daughter of the person asking the question. It rules over the stomach, liver, heart, sides, and back. It is considered a masculine house. In terms of colors, it is associated with black and white or honey-colored tones. It is a succedent house, and its co-significators are the sign Leo and the planet Venus. Venus takes joy in this house because it represents pleasure, delight, and merriment. However, if Mars or Saturn are present in this house, it becomes wholly unfortunate and indicates disobedient and troublesome children. The 6th house is concerned with men and servants, slaves, hogs, sheep, goats, hares, rabbits, and all sorts of smaller livestock. It also pertains to the profit and loss derived from these animals. Additionally, it is related to sickness, including its nature, cause, the predominant humor involved, and whether the disease is curable or not. It signifies day laborers, tenants, farmers, shepherds, swineherds, cowherds, and warreners. It represents uncles, or the father's brothers and sisters. It rules over the lower part of the abdomen and intestines, extending to the buttocks. It is considered a feminine and cadent house, and unfortunate as it does not have any aspect to the ascendant. In terms of colors, it is associated with the color black. Mars finds joy in this house, but its co-significator is of the sign Virgo and the planet Mercury. It is often observed that when Mars and Venus are in conjunction in this house, it indicates the presence of a good physician. The 7th house is associated with judgment regarding marriage. It describes the person who is being inquired about, whether it is a man or a woman. It also pertains to all sorts of love-related questions and our public enemies. In a legal case, it signifies the defendant, while in war, it represents the opposing party. The 7th house encompasses quarrels, duels, and lawsuits. In astrology, it represents the astrologer himself, and in medicine, it signifies the physician. It is also associated with thieves and theft, indicating the gender of the person involved in stealing. It provides information about spouses and sweethearts, including their physical appearance, social status, and whether they were born into a noble or non-noble family. In an annual ingress, it indicates whether war or peace may be expected. It also provides insight into victory and who emerges as the victor or the loser. Additionally, it encompasses fugitives, runaways, banished individuals, and outlaws. It is co-signified by Libra and the Moon. If Saturn or Mars are unfortunate in this house, it suggests difficulties in marriage. The associated color is a dark black. It rules over the haunches and the area from the navel to the buttocks. It is referred to as the angle of the west and is considered a masculine house. We shall pause our journey here for the time being and will continue with the 8th to 12th houses next time. Until then, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.